Good morning guys, in front of me is Red Magic 8 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select password and security and click on fingerprint. Now select phone unlock and set some backup to your fingerprint. You can use either pattern, pin code or the password. I want to have pattern, tap on continue, re-enter it and click on confirm. Tap on I know to confirm everything, and now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is located on your screen, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Then tap on done, and from now on you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.